The U.S. Mexico border is more than 3,000 kilometers long. About 1/3 of it is separated by a barrier, sometimes in the form of a wall. The Trump administration added 128 kilometers to the wall. Trump also fortified existing border structures built by previous U.S. administrations. Now, scientists say that the border walls and barriers built since the 1990s by both Republican and Democrat administrations are devastating wildlife.
El muro siempre ha sido un problema.
The wall has always been a problem, but construction during the Trump administration is particularly problematic. It has had a significant negative effect on habitats and ecosystems in the region.
Sobre los hábitats y los ecosistemas.
Arizona State University professor Francisco Lara Valencia has been studying border wildlife ecosystems for more than 30 years. He says Trump went after once protected federal lands.
Era mucho más fácil empezar allí porque
It was much easier for him to start there because those places are under federal government control. It is federal property, and so it's not necessary to enter into legal actions to obtain that land. Before, those places were more or less protected.
In some parts of the border, the wall blocks wildlife from moving about in their natural habitats, thus harming their ability to eat and mate. When wild animals attempt to cross the region at night, like they have done for centuries, they run into a blocked border. Scientist Alejandro Olivera of the Mexico office for the Center for Biological Diversity says climate change makes matters worse.
At the center, we've identified more than 90 species that could be affected by the wall. They are at risk, and they are species like the jaguar. The wall was built directly in their migration paths.
Olivera says some borderland species face extinction. And though President Joe Biden halted Trump's efforts to continue building the wall, experts warn that damage to some natural areas along the border might be irreversible. Franc Contreras, CGTN.